In today's lesson, we are going to do a question on vectors, advanced level pure mathematics. Question is position vectors and displacement vectors. The source of this question is Darshan K Gendah. Let us read the question. Position vectors of A and B relative to a fixed origin O are 2, 4, 3 and 4, 0, 1 respectively. So let us write down the information we are given. The position vector of A ANOVA OA anengari equal to 2, 4, 3, and the position vector of B ANOVA OB anengari equal to 4, 0, 1. Okay, if M is the midpoint of AB, find the position vector of M. So tikada kuratidza this information, let us assume kuti AB yakamira akadai so. Saka this is AB, the displacement vector AB. Then midpoint anengarichi M. Since this is three-dimensional XYZ, it's difficult to represent it. Saka let us say this is our origin O. What we want here is, if we join the origin to the point M with a straight line, then this is the direction of our vector. Toda kuziva the position vector or M. So this is the information we are working with. But now, isusu hatina kupiwa AB. Toda tsvaga the midpoint of AB, but we do not have AB. So our first task is to find AB. How do we find AB? Saka AB, the displacement vector AB is equal to the destination point OB subtracting the source point OA. So this is, what is OB? OB in the 401 subtracting OA another 2, 4, 3. This is equal to 4 minus 2 in the 2, 0 minus 4 in the minus 4, 1 minus 3 in the minus 2. So we can write our answer like this, or we can improve the answer. Tinobuditsa the scalar 2, then our vector will be, here it's 1, up it's minus 2, up it's minus 1. We can test this. 2 times 1, the 2, 2 times minus 2, the minus 4, 2 times minus 1, the minus 2. So it's either our answer is 2 minus 4 minus 2, or our answer is 2 multiplying 1 minus 2 minus 1. So tavani the displacement vector AB. Kuti tichitsvaga manje the position vector of M, there's something we should understand. So this is AB, panapa pana M. Saka kana M achinzi midpoint, what it means is AM na MB should be equal. So maybe let us write this. Let us say if M is the midpoint, AM should be equal to MB. The share between AM and MB should be equal. So we can simplify this and say, kupapana AM panikipana 1, then MB it's also 1. That's equal. Kureva kuti the ratio of sharing panapa kana tichiti AM MB, it's going to be 1:1. Ndo zvinoreva kuti midpoint. So kana tikadai isusu kuchitsvaga the position vector of M, let us say tichishandisa AM. AM anenge ari equal to chi? AM are equal to, katitarisei panapa. What is the share of AM? Takatarisa paratio yedu, tinoona kuti ndi 1. What is the total ratio? 1 plus 1 ndi 2. Saka AM are equal to half of AB. Mapona. That is what it means. AM are equal to half of AB because the share of AM is 1 when the total ratio is 2. So if we go further to simplify this, tirikungoti half multiplying what is AB. Saka panapa manje tikati times AB tikamtora as 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1. It becomes easy. Matuano kukancelana. AM becomes 1 minus 1 minus 2, sorry, minus 1. And you can try it mchishandisa AB as 2 minus 4 minus 2. Muchaona uti 2 anopinda muna 2 once, muna minus 4 minus 2, then muna minus 2 minus 1, giving us 1 minus 2 minus 1 as well. But kubuditsa escala manje makes it easier because we can just have half each multiplier 2. So our answer here is 1 minus 2 minus 1. Okay. Taona kuti that is our answer. Let me change my color here. Isusu tirikuda OM. Antika? But ita calculator AM. Saka taona kuti AM are equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1. Saka maybe let me make it a task panapa. Task yangu ndeye kuti find AM using AB as 2 minus 4 minus 2. So this is the task you have to take away from this lesson. Okay. Saka taona isusu kuti AM is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1. We know kuti AM as a displacement vector is also equal to OM subtracting OA, of which kana takuda kuziva kuti OM ndiani, we make it subject. Saka tenge takuendesa minus OA kuside kuyova AM plus OA. So this is equal to, what is AM? AM panapa tinenge takutora chi this value at a calculator. AM is 1 minus 2 minus 1 subtracting. What about OA? Takadzogera ku original question tinoona not OA ndi 243. Saka panapa it's adding, sorry, 243 like this. So this is what we are getting. Saka this then becomes equal to 1 plus 2 ndi 3 minus 2 plus 4 ndi minus 2 minus 1 plus 3 ndi minus 2 again. Saka our answer is 3 minus 2 minus 2 ndo value ya OM. Let us reiterate a little. Swataita tatanga tatsvaga kuti AB ndiani. That is the first thing we did. Tatsvaga kuti AB ndiani ndokubva tazoshandisa our knowledge of ratio kutsvaga kuti ko AM ndiani. Handiti? Tawana AM ndokuzoshandisa our knowledge of displacement vectors kutsvaga kuti OM ndiani. So these stages are very important. If this lesson has helped you in any way, may you please consider subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting, joining if you can, joining our community Q&A. If you also want extra lessons, you can WhatsApp us on this number, +263 Zimbabwean code 715213310. Thank you for your attendance. Take care.